In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. If you never used it before, select Allow in all available pop-ups, and then to start recording, use this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a geotag and rename it right away, pause it, click on Add Title at the top and add location below the title. Then select while using the app or only this time. If you wish to switch from audio to transcript, click on one of those options here. To delete your recording right away, choose Delete at the bottom left corner, and then Delete in the pop-up. And to end it and save it, tap on Save on the right. Then to play your recording, click on it. And to get rid of it, just hold it and use bin icon at the top. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!